Anyway, as you can see on this table here, we're making some drinks. 2 cocktails, and since we're both boring and don't drink, we're also making a mocktail, so a fake one. Enjoy!
The first one is Black Magic.
Yeah. Let's do this. We need some tall glasses. They're not very tall, but we tried. Some food coloring, obviously. Oops. What else do I need? Oh, this.
Grenadine?
Yeah. And
orange juice.
Orange juice, yes. And some licorice. Do you like it?
No, I hate licorice.
It's such a fake Dutch word. Okay, so first step is mixing the vodka with the food coloring. Should we do this in another glass?
Yes. Okay. So the food coloring is supposed to be black, but I don't know if you guys can ever find black food coloring, but
we're just mixing 3. It will work. It will look gross.
Creative.
Yeah.
The neighbor's gonna die of fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Oh my god. So if you don't have grenadine, just mix sauce with normal syrup. It works. The more you know. Woo!
We figured it.
Yay! Okay, we're gonna taste a sip because
of the Black Magic. Cheers.
Oh man. That's not really bad actually.
Well, like, there's a lot of vodka at the top.
Well, yeah. I think with a straw it would be
yeah. It's just like
you ruining it. Oh man, that looks
oh god, it's scary fish juice.
Okay, try. Better.
Yeah, it's really good. But not very appetizing. If it was
no,
jet
but it's
black.
very Halloween. I mean, very disgusting.
Yeah.
I think these are Alena and Soggy Waffle approved. So the second drink is
Black Widow!
Okay, yeah. So it's supposed to be really easy. You're actually supposed to make like blackberry juice and so we just bought some and some syrup. You're supposed to make that yourself too, but
lazy hacks.
Let's be honest. Nobody who's throwing a party is going to make their own blackberry juice. So
nobody got time for that.
yeah, and then some vodka and some berry things. What do you
Blackberries.
Blackberries, yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah, and then just throw it all in and throw in some ice. So we should be able. If we could do the other drink, we definitely can do this. Let's do it.
Almost hit your camera.
Vodka.
What's that?
Stay away from my vodka.
Some spear fishing.
Oh my god. I don't
It
think.
was too full.
But come on. Smell it. It just smells like syrup.
Raspberry.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
cheers.
cheers.
Do you drink it
We'll
with
look each other in the eye when you cheer.
Oh.
I can't drink it.
with this? It tastes like a alcoholic popsicle.
Yeah, basically.
Everybody scream! Please make way for a very special time.
So the next one is our mocktail for the little kids and the little boys and the boring people.
King of the pumpkin patch, everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
It's good. It's really good. The baby in me likes this the most. Like, yeah.
Okay.
I think so.
Harry! Alana, how do I even say your last name?
Van Wijk.
Alana Van Wijk Spreekt.
Thanks. Anyway, I'm actually really proud. We did this.
Yeah,
I think
that's awesome.
for if you're throwing a party and you want to do some drinks like this one.
This one was super, super easy.
Yeah, and especially if you do want to make a non-alcoholic drink.
Yeah, this would work as well.
Yeah.
For kiddos.
Or just this one is just throw some stuff in.
Basically juice and food coloring and...
And this one is just really cool, and in the end it was not that hard. We just didn't have the...
We didn't have the right ingredients, but if you had the right ingredients, it's like a...
Yeah, and even though it worked out pretty well, it's tasty. So yeah, I think they're all approved. We did it.
I hope you guys enjoyed. We hope you guys enjoyed this Soggy Waffle Alana Van Wijk mocktail cocktail experience.
I should hire you to do all my outros.
I can do
You
that.
should do my voiceover one time.
I'd be honored.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna do this. Anyway, if you like this, give a like. Subscribe for more Halloween videos, some festival vlogs, some other stuff. Interviews are coming. And subscribe to this lovely little boy.
Soggy Waffle.
Soggy Waffle, I will link her here somewhere and in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye!
Doei.
Doei!